We're still at one of the most packed malls in SoCal, Ontario Mills. They got a ton of sneaker shops. And we're starting to see, for the first time, these bad boys are on sale. The Air Max Up-Tempos, $120, normally $170. Lakers colorway and Chicago Bulls colorway right here, both on sale. I like these so much, but yeah, I can't wear them, dude. I can't wear them. My feet kill me every time I wear mine because it's pretty narrow, dude. Pretty narrow, and all the overlays right here are just super thick. Tech Challengers on sale. Got a bunch of the Shocks TLs. $120 for those, $110 for these. Shocks R4 also got a little bit of a sale. Okay. Dude, these finally gone down even more. The AE ones right here, the chrome colorway. I think this is the dopest one right here, $80. But yeah, I suck in basketball, so I can't wear those. $70 for the other colorways right here. Okay. This is one of the newer ones right here, $80. The Kai one, the Kai one regular ones also on sale. First look at the new MBs on my channel. The MB5s right here, I've not seen these. And now there is a strap on them, a la Jordan 8s right here. Okay, I don't know, what do you guys think about this? This got a lot of shiny stuff on it. Not digging them, not digging them. Evolution of the 4s, it looks like, I guess. So that's an evolution of that, I guess. Okay. Oh. Flight courts right here down to $70. And they still pumping out all these different colorways of the Spizikes, just random colorways. Is this his new line right here? What is this? The La France Runner? Is he coming out the running line? What the hell? What the hell? These look like some sketches. Definitely look like some sketches. But hey, he's doing his thing, doing something different. He already has his casual line right there, so I guess he's coming out with the running line as well. Someone told me they got one of these for $60. They said they got several of them. Actually from the Adidas. Is it from the outlet? Where was it from? But yeah, $150 for these bad boys. These are the Evo SLs. Like they're pushing this as their premier running shoe or the premier training shoe. These and the Bostons. But yeah, $150 for these bad boys. I haven't tried these on yet though. I haven't tried them on. Or have I? I don't remember. Have I tried those on? I don't know. They don't seem super comfortable, but you know, it's not all about comfort, right? They seem like they're gonna last longer than Zoom X, but who knows? Who knows? I don't know. Curious to see how long my 1080s last. These are supposed to be really good runners as well. The Nimbus 27. Look at that huge midsole. These look freaking hella comfy. I'm not paying $175 though. Solid prices for these New Balance right here, 2002s. I hope you guys saw my New Balance video. That was just crazy. I can't wait to go hit up the New Balance outlet in a few minutes. That was like the lowest price I've ever seen, and the sale's still going on, so I'm gonna go check them out in a quick minute. Next retail shop, going in the opposite direction because went to the New Balance outlet. Y'all will see, or y'all might have already seen that video. Yeah, dude got some Forces on sale. Women's Vomeros right here. Sales just mediocre as hell. What's going on? What's going on? 90s, 60s right here. Okay, this ain't bad. Jordan 39s right here. Not too bad. Only got one left though. Not too bad. Got some Adrenaline, some running shoes. I know I've been going a little bit too much on running shoes. My bad, you guys. My bad, because that's what I've been buying lately. You got GT 3s. These are interesting. Holy crap. Some gator skin looking. Or snake skin? Gator skin? I don't know. But DNs right here. The DN8s. It's really interesting because I'm only running just to lose weight, and I'm almost done with my weight loss phase. So I don't know, am I gonna keep running? Because I would like to gain some muscle mass after, but running kind of negates that. You just have to eat a ton more. Is it worth it? I don't know. Field Generals right here. Campus suedes right here, or campus made of suede material. Guess they got this USA colorway of the GT cuts in different sizes. This ain't bad. This ain't bad. If it's a size 7 though, you can find those cheaper at Ross, or is it Burlington? Got some 574s right there. Nothing too crazy. Did I buy something at this Pro Image last time? I'm trying to remember. The reason I'm trying to remember if I bought something, because That means they got steals and deals. They do have a clearance section right here. They have a clearance section. Dodgers New Era hoodie right here. What we're all wondering, regular price, huh? Doesn't it say clearance right there? G3 brand right here. Got a nice little Lakers jacket. $75. Not bad. Not bad at all. Dodgers t-shirt right here, 20 bucks. Chargers starter pullover right here. I think certain things just aren't, they're not marked. I think that's what it is. Starter jacket right here. This is like hella thin though. 40 bucks. 40 bucks, but it is hella thin. But sometimes you like thin. I don't know. 40 bucks. I don't even know what I'm talking about. $20 for this Caitlin Clark t-shirt. Cowboys starter pullover, $99.98 to $99.98. That's not a great clearance here. 49ers hoodie. Now they're gonna make me mad by teasing us like that. $70. Oh, $40. 40 was 70. And unlike most other pro standards, they got tons and tons of stuff. Tons and tons of stuff. They got 2 clearance racks. I didn't check this one right here. But all the parts and stuff, of course, they're gonna be hella cheap. This fool just got traded. I can't believe they traded him, dude. For 2 first rounders, I believe. That other pro standard has all this stuff for 20 bucks. I don't know, they're not priced here. $60 for Salute to Service hoodie. That's actually one of the best prices we've seen those. And you got Raiders pullover starter brand right here. 100 bucks instead of 150. They got a few other teams. More Parsons gear right here. 15 for this Broncos t-shirt. It's a women's. Not bad, not bad. Not bad selection, you guys. It's just a Nick Chubb jersey going for $88. Oh, is this stuff on clearance too? It's not labeled. $88 for the Nick Chubb. Niners polos, 50 bucks. Rams polos right here, 30 instead of 55. Broncos going for 30 as well. Shotani t-shirt, 20 bucks. Fanatics Dodgers shirts right here, 30 instead of 40. Pretty solid clearance section. Not bad, not bad. Do got a Shoe Palace. They got Kobe's here. They got Kobe's my size, 190. What is going on? That is crazy. Got 2 10.5s right here. And also got the Pegasus Plus multiple colorways right here, 220. And this is why you gotta shop around, right? We just saw these on sale. And when does Foot Locker ever have a sale before other companies? What the hell? Dude got a Shoe Palace collab right here. A Shoe Palace exclusive, 100 bucks for the thousands right here. I don't know what the hell those are. And a bunch of 2002Rs, 1906s. Jordan collection right here. I thought these were just in grade school. Oh, these are women's. My bad, these are women's. Dude got the denim 4s right here. If you don't have the Levi 4s, do you grab these instead? Answer is no. That's your thing though, if that's your thing. They got multiple 4s. That is pretty crazy. Just have not been seeing that in years. Dang it. I missed out on the release over there at the releases, hopefully releases, I don't know. At Montebello, they just opened up their new location this weekend. You can get stuff like that for hella cheap there because they'll have it for 80 and then another 25 off. And this is pretty dope. This is pretty dope, especially if you can get an extra discount, $70 for the superstars right here. These look different. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just not used to seeing suede superstars. A campus right here, more superstars on sale. About those Kobe's, what the hell? What the hell? That's what we all wanted, right? We all wanted Kobe's to be readily available, and they're right there. Wow. Then, of course, they got plenty of dope stuff on sale. Plenty of Nikes on sale, including these KDs. Pandas going for 100 bucks. That's still too much, dog. Air Max 90s. These DC shoes, they got DC shoes here at Shoe Palace. The MB4s, we saw the MB3s, so yeah, the MB4 is gonna be on sale everywhere now. Got one of the biggest Sheiks I've ever seen. When I say I think, other than Culver City, I think it's one of the bigger ones, huh? I was just gonna say, I don't know if their sale's still going on. We got an answer right there. which means y'all can still grab these for pretty much $100. These go down to 75. These are Jordan 1 Low OGs. All kinds of sales right there. Jordan brand shoes. And this might be the first time we've ever seen these for this low. Luka 4s all the way down to what, 80 bucks or something like that? 80 something dollars. Kind of like these too. I kind of like these. These flight courts right here, hella clean, especially for 25 off of this price. I did grab one of these for my kiddo, just so freaking cheap. $35. $35 is freaking insane. Might have been 37, 37.50 or something. Hey, if someone likes green, look at this. Look at this. Holy crap. $40. You know what? Hold up. I have a worker that wears a size 12. This is 11 and a half. And this is the last size they have. It might work. I just tried on the 9 and a half right there, and they kind of fit. They're not like super tight. They're a little bit tight. I might go with these. I might try them. I might gamble. Because it's only, what, 30 bucks, right? It's only $30. 30 freaking dollars. He's a Celtics fan. This will match like Celtic stuff, right? I know there's a hint of red on them. But it'll still match Celtics gear, won't it? I don't know. You could like paint over that maybe. I don't know. These Cortezes actually might be one of the cheapest prices. We've seen these 65, and then you get that extra 25 off. I would get them, but I've already bought too many sneakers today. Yeah, pretty much every Cortez on sale. Speaking of Cortez, they got the Forrest Gump Cortez inspired books right here, also on sale. Crazy that everything is 25% off on top. I think that makes this place cheaper than Foot Locker for both of those. We've been seeing these Vomeros on sale. 110 right here, 79. So these go down to $60. $60 for Vomeros. Are you effing serious? 60 bucks. These go down a lot as well. That's what, $63? 63 bucks. I like this Detroit Lions color right here. Grade school section got even more Vomeros right here. The Valentine's Day one. If your woman could fit into a girl's shoe, man, that's what's up. $60. And these right here. Look at these. Look at these. Dang, dude. Not bad. AEs right there. Going for $90, get an extra discount. There's one that's 80 bucks. Wait, why wouldn't I show you guys? $80 for these, and then another 20% off on top. 25% off on top. Are these on sale? The Evos, really? 120. So these go under 100 bucks. Yeah, under $100. That's definitely the cheapest I've seen that one. Hopefully my New Balance running shoes will fit. We'll see. I ordered 2 from Under. I keep wanting to say Under Armour. 2 from New Balance. We'll see how those fit. $30 for these bad boys. It's gonna be a part of his Christmas present. What really sucks is, like, if they don't fit, I'm kind of screwed. So should I give it to him early, or should I wait till Christmas? Because if they don't fit, at least I can return them. I don't know. I haven't really figured out this plan out, to be really honest. I forgot they have a locker room. We'll check. I don't think I'll find anything. And of course, they got plenty of dope stuff, but I'm just looking for stuff on clearance. After getting stuff like this for freaking $30, I can't pay regular price for other stuff, right? Wait, I see a sign right here. They talking about this stuff? Are they? No, not really. 35, 45 for this. They talk about this junk down here that nobody wants. Like this stuff right here, $10. This isn't that bad. Raiders license plate. Yeah, regular price 28 bucks. I got stickers and stuff like that. Mini balls and stuff. Are they on sale? Yeah, 10 bucks for these mini balls. I don't know. Oh, it's a Lakers one. That's cool, but not much else. Pretty dope. When I did find a couple of these on sale, that was pretty crazy. I still have a couple left for Christmas presents. I gave one of them away already, the Cowboys one. But yeah, that's about it, dude. Plenty of stuff on sale, but crazy discounts? No, not really. Last retail sneaker shop. Dude got a Champs. And they've been having this Nike running display at quite a few of the Champs. Shows the different Nike running shoes. They got the Structures, the Pegasus, and the Vomeros. Then they're also gonna have the Plus versions as well as the premiums. And they have it on those two. I don't think they have it on the Structure quite yet. And I'm really curious about these. I do like my 1080s, but I know these are really, really good, and I haven't tried them yet. And I know these are great. I don't think the heel to toe drop is as big on these as the Invincible runs. This is the Vomero Plus right here, 180 for those. These are the regular Vomero 18s right here. Stack height just a little bit bigger, and this one has Zoom X as well as React. That one just has 100% Zoom X. And supposedly way more comfy, I'm curious about that. I don't know, these are really plush as well, so. And then we got the Pegasus Plus. Seen that a million times at the outlets for cheap and stuff like that. This is the Pegasus Premium right here. I'm starting to see these at a lot more spots. Super heavy, super heavy. $220 for this one, wow. In my opinion, that one is just so much better than that one. But this one looks kind of cool though. I really like the look of these two though. We got the Lucky shorts. Are we gonna see these at the outlets? I have a feeling people have copped these at the clearance store. I have not really been going to the clearance store because fools want to trip on me taking videos, so there's no point in going there. Man, if they'll show up at the outlets, that's what's up. I didn't know these retail for $105. Holy crap. I saw what I paid for that. Go for $80 here. Of course, it's a green though, and green sucks. As a Laker fan, we can't root for nobody wearing green. Minnesota Timberwolves just spanked us. I do have a Timberwolves jersey though, because it is for Kevin Garnett. That's the only fool that I like, but dang, they got more of these for $2.99. I need some more black ones. Do they have any black ones? No, they just have these. I have like 8 or 9 of those. And these are all 3-packs, right? 8 or 9 of those 3-packs because I freaking love those socks. I got rid of all my Nikes, but I don't see any long ones, and I don't see any black ones. That just did not sound right. Got a sales section right here. What's going on over here? Got some Converse going for $30. MB3s right here going for $50. P6000 right there going for $60. Oh, that's not bad. 550s right here in Cortez. That's not too bad. You got some 70% off stuff right here. CSG gear. I told you guys many times, CSG gear. Very solid materials they use. Really, really nice. Not necessarily a fan of all the polyester, but Nike's even been doing that too, so it is what it is. $60. You do get 70% off. In grade school, $90.60 right here. What a freaking price on those. These retail for $110. And then got some New Balance down here. These 2002 R is not bad as well. That mostly black one, even the gray one's $70. Oh, and they got Tech Fleece with the camo right here, 50% off. We saw these heavily discounted at the outlets. Now they're gone. But yeah, if you don't have an outlet or if you didn't get a chance to grab one, 50% off at Champs. They got all those run shoes over there, Brooks, Saucony. How come they don't have the 1080s? They don't have the Fresh Foams. They don't have like any of the New Balance running shoes. Kind of weird. They got 574s for $50 though. Price starting to come down. Ones that are chilling. Navy blue right here. This is a nice color. I like this. I like this. They got a nice selection of running shoes right here. The Nova Blast. I heard those are really good. The Nimbus. Those are good as well. Ghost Max. A little firmer, but tons of cushioning on it. Glycerins. The Glycerins for $90. That's a hell of a price right there. Those retail for like $160 or something. Saucony Ride 18s. $100 normally $145. Not bad. Not bad. That's supposed to be their, I think that's their flagship running shoe, right? I don't know. I'm kind of getting into running, but I haven't been doing it that long, so I don't know everything. I don't know anything. All right. I think we're out, you guys. I think we're done. Slick City Ashton Park. This looks kind of cool. Supposedly coming this fall, or yeah, fall of 2025. That's kind of cool. And I was like, this must be a huge spot. This is where GameWorks. This is where GameWorks used to be way back when. So this should be a really huge spot behind this mess right here. Those of you guys not from LA, 115 out here in LA. I'm not a big fan of this heat. All right, we out, man. We out.